Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Today is Wednesday, August 26th. All right, good day in the market. We had that pop and then drop yesterday. Looked ugly. This is the hourly chart that we're taking a look at right here. And here was our downtrend line I was talking about. And we did break it with this, and we held the support on the dip this morning. And after we finally broke it, you can see we started getting mad crazy here. And it looks like we're going to come up and tag the gap right here at 197.65, and the relative strength index could be at 70 at that point, so be very careful at that point. We could turn and burn, meaning heading south. That's very important to keep your eye on. You also have another trend line here. That's the faster one, and your other trend line is right off the top right here. We're going to use this candle and this candle, and then we're going to switch it over to the daily. So it looks like we can get right into that area there and staying true to the downtrend that we're at right now. Now that this one's gone, get rid of that. But we could come up and close this right here, but just look for this to hit 70, and then you're going to see a reversal on the hourly. So we could see it a little bit better on the daily though, and I just wanted you to see the relative strength index because that's our biggest concern right now. But on the daily right here, we can draw it right off these bodies. And you can see the same basic setup, and you do have a faster trend line, and that's why we stopped right now. And that trend line is off of those two candles that are on the right there. No, it didn't really hit it today. Okay, so that's what we're looking at right now, this gap right here. If we get a full reversal, we could come up and close this, but right now we're still in that downtrend. The conviction to the upside, I don't see it yet from anything. If you look at your weekly, you can see your weekly had a nice bounce here. I'll get rid of some of these wicks here, and okay, so you can see the weekly's trying to hold a nice bounce right here, and your monthly is still very, very red. Okay, it's just gaining a little bit of ground. So with this being resistance right here, this 197 area with these triple bottoms right here, then we should be able to reverse off of that. But definitely look for this to get lower because it's going lower. That's for sure. Okay, let's take a look at Apple, and we're not going to stay on the monthly here, but you're going to get a quick glance. If the chart loads here, there we go. Okay, so let's switch over to the hourly first real quick, and you can see some a beautiful move to the upside today after a little bit down this morning here, but it held its support range. You could draw the same technical setup, and we drop this down a little bit to hit these bodies right here, and you're coming into some resistance. As after we broke this here, that was the resistance, came back down, came back up, broke the resistance, and now we're going to come up to this top area and meet that resistance. This is the longer term trend line, but the relative strength index is 60. We don't think it's going to get there, but if we stay off this stack right here, and that stack would take it right about there, right there, so that's great. That's why we met that resistance. We could get to this 50 and then pull back down again, or we could get up to this one and pull back down again, okay, which will be this gap right here, and I think that gap could be filled, and then that could be our reversal. Okay, so keep an eye on this 112 if it gets there. But we met the resistance, so I guess depending on jobs tomorrow, we will know where the market goes from there. All right, this is Matt, everyone. If you're not a member, make sure you become a member, $99 a month. We will see you tomorrow, okay? Just click on the link on the video and join us. It's a great time. Have a great day.